Hey guys, if you're installing a portable air conditioner for the first time and want to make sure it's set up correctly, you're in the right place. A portable air conditioner can lose a significant amount of cooling performance if it's installed incorrectly. The most common problems are a loose window kit, a long or sharply bent exhaust hose, poor airflow around the unit, or plugging it into an unsuitable power source. Even if the AC turns on, these installation mistakes can make it cool less efficiently and use more electricity. The big thing is that a proper installation only takes a few minutes. These are the steps you can try to fix this and install your portable air conditioner the right way. So, let's get started. Number 1. Place the AC on a flat level floor near a window and a dedicated grounded electrical outlet. 2. Assemble the window kit so it fits tightly inside the window opening. 3. Connect the exhaust hose to the AC and secure the other end to the window panel without stretching or sharply bending it. 4. Seal any remaining gaps around the window kit using the supplied foam strips or weather sealing. 5. Plug the AC directly into the wall. Switch to cool mode and confirm that warm air is exhausting outdoors.